my favorite Smooshy Mushy Frozen Delights.
These are Series 1, and these came out quite a while ago, but then we hadn't seen them in stores for a while, and then they came back. So we snatched up these 3, and shall we get them open?
Yeah! Let's start with the pink one.
Okay. So these are Smooshy Mushy Frozen Delights. It says there's Smooshy Surprises.
There's a big squishy and there's little besties.
Yes, there's a big one and a little one. And it says what's inside. There is a Smooshy pet, a checklist, stickers, mini bottle, mystery bestie, and there's a big Smooshy bottle and a little one. Bonus, there's also a name game and collector's poster.
I wonder what bestie we're gonna get.
I don't know.
It looks like it's strawberry.
So we have this unicorn one already. So we might get a panda. Might get this. I don't know what that is.
We might get this like fox.
Oh yeah, that one's a strawberry. Ooh, maybe we got the strawberry one.
Looks like a strawberry.
Ooh, it says strawberry. Strawberry smoothie. Yum. That sounds delicious.
Yeah. It's like a smoothie with only strawberry.
Oh my goodness. Look how pretty that packaging is. I love that these come in little containers because you can have a place to store them afterward. So here's the tiny little bottle, and it's got a couple of ball chains in there so you can...
And the light has just like the little holes so you can see which one you got.
Yes, you can see which one you got. So we got the mystery bestie.
Oh, it looks like the strawberry one.
Yeah.
Looks like the strawberry. Oh, I'm right. It's a strawberry.
That is so cute. So tiny.
Oh, I think we got a fox then.
And we just got a really big strawberry squishy. It'll be so funny to take a picture of them side by side, the little one and the big one. Oh, that's so cute. And it's like dipped with like whipped cream or something.
And then the fox. Here's the fox.
Here's the fox. Ooh, that's so pretty. It's got like cream on the top and some icing. It's got a little tail.
Ooh, maybe it's like this. These are the little strawberry there.
Mm-hmm. And let's see what else is in here. It says mini surprise inside. Oops. Oh, and there is a little sticker. That's cute. And here's a checklist. So there's Cassandra Panda, Cassidy Kitty. Oh, that's the one we got. So it's not a fox, it's a cat. Cassidy Kitty and Mallory Strawberry.
Ooh, I have a friend named Mallory.
You do. And Udell Unicorn and Delana Banana. That's the one we have already. And Hallie Hamster and Marnie Mango. That is so cute. And then on the back,
it shows you like how to make a smoothie.
Ooh, banana split smoothie recipe. That sounds delicious.
Pineapple, yogurt, milk, banana, and ice.
Yes, and strawberry. That sounds so good. And it says go to smooshymushy.com for more yummy smoothie recipes. Cool.
Now let's open up the purple one.
Wonder which one this will be.
Yeah.
Ooh, I think I know.
I know now.
Oh, wait. Show the front. It says Mango Lassi, Smoothie? Oh, that is so cute.
See, I know what this is. Oh, there's a purple bottle. It matches the top. It's an orange chain and a purple one. Ooh, here's the little bestie. Oh, I see. I know what it is. It's a mango.
Oh my goodness, that is so cute.
And then we have, ooh,
And that
a
is
Puni.
Hallie Hamster and Marnie Mango. Oh, can't really see. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at the top. It's so pretty. It's got stars and a little whipped cream. And this one's so soft. And then we got the tiny little
Bestie.
Marnie Mango. Oh, the besties are so cute.
So little and cute.
And you want to show the sticker? Oh. Oh, here it is. Here is the sticker at the bottom. Very cute. Here's the checklist again.
I hope the last one is going to be that panda with the little blueberry.
Oh, I hope so too. Here's the last one. Get ahead?
Yeah. Yay, it's the panda.
Oh, it's so cute. That is adorable.
It's blue bottle.
Can you smell?
Yeah. It's a blue chain with green and purple.
Mm-hmm.
The bestie.
Oh,
I wonder what's in the blueberry. So cute! Look, the little flower.
can I see?
Cute. Squishy.
So this is called Briella Blueberry. Oh, it's a little bit squished. A little bit squished there, but still very cute.
And here's the panda. Yay.
Oh, this one's very airy. I love the colors. Really pretty colors.
And here's the sticker.
That's super cute.
Listen, Tom, which one is your favorite? Mine are the little besties.
The besties are really cute. I think my favorites are the little strawberry, and I really like the panda.
Yeah, I like the little besties and this one.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks for watching this video.
If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.
Bye.
Bye.